Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are outside of Walmart, and yesterday Walmart with Ibotta wasn't a thing. Like, all the deals sucked. But today there are better deals and we can score some great savings today. If you're new, hello and welcome. I'm the third shift couponer. I go couponing after my third shift job. So I'm always here bright and early at whatever store I'm going to. There is a printable breakdown just in case y'all need it, want to check it out, print it off, bring it to the store. Whatever you need to do, it's there for you. There's also some great deals down below I have listed as well. Also, any rebate app that I have or that I mention in the video, I do have linked down below just in case you're new to it and want a little extra bonus for signing up using one of my referral links. I think that's it. Without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. Super easy deal. This is definitely a moneymaker. So it's on these CoverGirl eyebrow pencils. It's the duos. We keep getting this deal. It keeps resetting. So they're $2.88. You'll submit to checkout 51 for $2, and then on swag bucks we have 200 swag bucks, which is $2. Make them a $1.12 moneymaker. There's a really easy deal on Dove Men Plus Care. This charcoal plus clay specific 20.4 ounce one. It is $7.88. You'll submit to Ibotta for $2. And then on Shopkick we have 700 kicks. To get the kick amount to dollar amount, you'll take the kicks. In this case, it's 700 times 0.004, and you'll get your dollar amount, which is $2.80 in this case, making one of these big bottles just $3.08. We have some good clearance going on. We have a decent amount of Tree Hut products. They're about $3 off on average, and it's on like a lot of the scrubs or the sprays. Or we have these kind of products down here, Bodycology, that's what they're called. Tons of clearance going on there as well. The Dr. Teals that are on clearance are about $1 to $2 depending on what you're grabbing. But if you like this stuff anyway, I don't ever see rebates on these kind of things. Hottest moneymaker of the day. It is easy. It is on the Dove Crumble hand wash. So the vanilla bean cupcake is $1. This one is like someone unscrew that, unfortunately. The other one I found is nasty looking, but for $1 moneymaker each, because you'll submit their $1, you'll submit to Ibotta for $2, making them a $1 moneymaker. I can clean this up at home. It doesn't feel like it's missing any compared to like the other ones, so I'm just gonna carefully grab it. If your store is out of this one, there's another one for $1. It looks like the strawberry one is $1, or the lemon glaze is still $3.25. We'll make it $1.25, and if your store is completely out, you can grab one of the regular ones for $3.97. Submit to that $2 rebate, making it $1.97, so a half off. I think that's still a pretty decent deal for the hand wash. Now, if you like the soft soap hand wash, you can grab the refills for $5.97. You'll submit to Ibotta for $2, making it $3.97. We also have some decent clearance on the Myers hand soap. It looks like I don't know if these are like seasonal ones. I see that one, but then the rest of them don't say limited time scent or anything. So, or these two do, but whatever. There's still some clearance going on if you like these products. Some are as low as $1.50. Y'all, we have a Peely alert. You heard me, Peely on a Dove, or Dial, not Dove, but it's on the, let's read it together. I didn't even read it yet. So it says it's on the healthy hydration products. So $2 off makes them immediately $2.93, which is pretty decent. So you'll pay $2.97. You'll submit to Ibotta for $1.50. That's the one I saw right now, and it makes it $1.47. Now, I'm not gonna wait, y'all. I'm gonna give these away right away. So if you want the hang tags, you know what to do. Comment down below. Just say, I want some of the hang tags. Dial. I don't care. Just make sure you understand, or you make me understand that you want some of these hang tags. I'm gonna grab 3 sets. Maybe not. All right, I grabbed 2 sets. That way there's about 4 left back there. And then I grabbed one for myself. So I grabbed over half of them because I want to make sure other people can save money, you know. So there'll be 2 winners. I'll post them next week. So if you want 2 of these, comment down below. Otherwise, $1.47. I think that's actually not that bad because that's about usually with like stacking rebates. That's usually about how cheap we get it. This Axe deodorant keeps resetting. As y'all know, I grabbed it last week. I'll grab it again. I think it's a really good price on it. But anyway, you're going to look for the Phoenix, Apollo. These are the only 2 I grabbed, really. These might work. I just never tried them. They're $4.97. You'll submit to Ibotta for $2. And then you'll submit to Shopkick for 300 kicks, which is $1.20, making them $1.77. So I'm actually going to grab this deal again. It worked out perfectly last time. So I personally drink protein drinks, so this might not be a deal for you, but these Ensure Max proteins are $11.98. We have this $6 coupon from last month with the Dove coupons and everything. So I'll pay $5.98, submit to Ibotta for $3, making it just $2.98. Alright, y'all, an update about the Tasteful Blue Buffalo deal. So I did put in a ticket for it because it didn't go through, and I got my dollar back, and all the tickets I put for, like, I scanned I think every one that I could find, I scanned and put in a ticket for. For the dollar, I put in the ticket after I submit my receipt through customer service, but like the tickets I put in for the product is like when you want to check an item to see if it attaches, that kind of ticket. So I didn't start receiving the emails that they were not for it till like Tuesday, which is a really long time. Usually I'll have the ticket like yes or no emailed back to me like before I leave the store. So that was a little weird to me, but let's see. Okay, so the deal is updated where they are scanning if they do attach or not. So that's super helpful. Dang, you guys, I really wish my dog liked these, or he doesn't really like biscuits that much. He likes softer treats. I think that's like a pretty decent savings for a box that's just like not even punctured or anything. It's just crushed. It's still taped really well with like the manufacturer tape. I think that's like a decent price, but my dog doesn't like those. Alright, y'all, there's a hot deal on the Clorox, but it's only on this specific one. It is on the disinfecting all-purpose cleaner, but it has to be the crisp lemon. So this $3.98, and you're gonna grab 2 of them. 2 of them will be $7.96. We have 40 cents on Ibotta, and that's where this one is specific, because that's what Ibotta said. It has to be the crisp lemon. So we'll get 80 cents in total from Ibotta. We'll get $2 from checkout, 51. And then on swag bucks, we have 200 swag bucks, which is $2, making grabbing 2 of these $3.16 for both. All right, y'all, we have another hang tag alert. I don't usually look at OxyClean because it's not something we get that many deals on. We have a $1 Peely, so they don't expire till next year. I think that's what I saw. Yeah, till literally 11/26, which is pretty good. And it doesn't really say anything specific. It just says 1 Oxy bathroom cleaner. So I'm going to be giving 2 sets of these away as well. So if you want the Oxy ones, you know what to do. So if you need some refills on the Glade oil refills, you can grab the twin packs for $5.98. You'll submit to Ibotta for $2, making them $3.98. All right, so there's a few ways to do this deal. So you can grab this Wick starter kit for $3.78, submit to Ibotta for $3, making it 78 cents. Or you can grab this starter kit. This is the vibrant one, so it's a little more expensive at $5.48. It is on rollback. It says for it was what, $6.98? That's expensive. Use that $3 rebate, making it $2.98. Or you can grab one of the plugs for $3.98, making this 98 cents after the rebate. These Tide to Go pens, this is a single count. It is $2.97. You'll submit to fetch rewards for 1,000 fetch points, which is $1. And then on Ibotta, we have 25 cents, making it $1.72. My store also got in new Persil peelies, it looks like. So I'll give away 2 sets of Persil peelies as well. So if you want some Persil peelies, you know what to do. Drop a comment saying you want the Persil peelies. If you want them all, just say that you want them all. I don't care. I'll pick 2 winners of each one so far. So these Dave Killer snack bites are $4.97. You can grab either one. You'll submit to Ibotta for $4, making them just 97 cents. These Michelini frozen dinners are $1.18 each. You'll grab 2 of them for $2.36. You'll submit to Ibotta for 50 cents when grabbing 2, making them $1.86 for both. So this is definitely a higher out of pocket, but as I've told you guys, my boyfriend loves this orange juice, so this is a deal for me because I'm saving money and I'm not paying full price. They're $4.38 each. You'll grab 2 of them for $8.76. On Ibotta, we have 50 cents on each bottle, and then on Fetch Rewards, we have 1,200 fetch points when grabbing 2, which is $1.20, making them $6.56 for both. So this is one of my favorite deals. I'm not grabbing it though because I grabbed it last week and I honestly have a lot of food to eat for work right now. But they're 97 cents each on rollback. You'll grab 2 of them for $1.94. Submit to Ibotta for 50 cents when grabbing 2, making them $1.44 for both. Alright y'all, this is everything I'm grabbing today. Let's go check out. Alright, we're back in from checkout, and checkout went perfectly fine. So since I did grab 2 things for Shopkick, I did them on a separate receipt. So I grabbed the 2X deodorant sticks on a separate receipt. That's all I grabbed for $9.94. Why do I do that? Because Shopkick communicates with Swagbucks, even though they are not owned by the same company. They communicate, and you can't submit the same receipt to both apps. I don't know why, but you can't anymore. So whatever. Then I grabbed the rest of the items in my cart, and then the $6 coupons came off. I forgot to scan them last. Sorry guys, but I did grab them last week and everything worked out perfect. So my subtotal was $37.34. So in total for both receipts, my total was $47.28 after those 2 paper coupons. I submitted to Fetch for 1,200 Fetch points, which is $1.20. I submitted to Checkout 51 for $4, to Swagbucks for 400 Swagbucks, depending. They'll go through. To Ibotta for the smaller receipt for $4. And then the larger receipt that I just showed you, $14.80. My weekend dash cash, whatever it's called, was 18 offers for $5. I wasn't gonna hit that. I was lucky. I got like 10 offers or whatever I got. And then to Shopkick for 240 cake or 600 cakes, which is $2.40. Makes my whole haul $16.88. I don't think that's bad, especially on things we use all the time. And my boyfriend's gonna be super excited about the orange juice. Also guys, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you're not currently subscribed. I love to have you as part of my channel, and don't forget to enter one of the coupon giveaways if you want one of those coupons. Now, I want to remind y'all, I do need your address. Don't enter if you don't want to email me with your address. So if you do win, honestly, a lot of people that enter don't respond to the winner like video or anything. They don't email me. So if y'all don't respond, maybe I'll just do another giveaway with some more coupons or whatever. I don't know. Whatever it is, we'll see what the future holds. But anyway guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.